Digital technologies, Industry 4.0, are sweeping through the manufacturing sector. Machine and product connectivity, advanced data analytics, virtual and augmented reality, robotics, 3D printing, and other advanced production methods are boosting productivity, unleashing efficiencies, accelerating time to market, and transforming business models. To date, Germany and the United States are the global frontrunners. A new survey by McKinsey & Company finds that ASEAN companies have been slower to climb aboard. There is no lack of optimism in the region. 90% of respondents believe Industry 4.0 will improve their performance. 96% believe it will change their business models, but only 13% have begun the transformation. But with labor costs rising in China and its economy pivoting from exports to domestic consumption, ASEAN manufacturers now have the opportunity to regain their stature as factories to the world. And it is an opportunity that must be built on productivity gains. While ASEAN productivity has improved over recent decades, much of this has simply been the broad shift out of agriculture, rather than improvements within individual sectors. The confluence of disruptive digital technologies, that is Industry 4.0, can change this beyond recognition. Globally, this new industrial revolution is expected to yield gains of between $1.2 trillion and $3.7 trillion by 2025. Of this, ASEAN has the potential to capture productivity growth worth between $216 billion to $627 billion. Realizing this potential will require real collaboration between governments, industry, and academia. Governments need to provide tax incentives and financial support, promote industrial alliances, encourage pan-regional cooperation, support training and talent initiatives, and establish clear national standards. Companies need to find ways to overcome existing barriers, form collaborative industrial clusters, and build global partnerships to ensure access to the latest technologies. Universities and training institutions will need to modify their current talent development strategies to fit the demands of the future workforce. In particular, there must be a strong focus on fusing new digital and analytics expertise with technology and business skills. They must also support technological development by pushing both basic and applied research in Industry 4.0. The ASEAN region must begin a digital transformation as soon as possible. Business models, production systems, and eventually entire companies will need to be reshaped from a digital perspective. As profit pools readjust along the value chain, those companies that succeed in their transition early will be positioned to become future industry leaders, not only creating the factories of the future, but also reclaiming ASEAN's position as the factory of the world.